In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're trying to correct a mistake or simply need to void an invoice, Zoho Books makes this process straightforward. Let's walk through the steps, ensuring you know exactly what to do. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. Head over to your search bar and type in Zoho. As you hit enter, you'll see a list of results appear. What you're looking for is the official Zoho website, which usually appears as the first or one of the first options. Just to be safe, make sure you select the link with the URL that ends in zoho.com. This ensures you're heading to the right place. Once you've clicked the link, you'll find yourself on the Zoho homepage. Here, you'll have the option to either log in or sign up if you haven't done so already. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Zoho offers a quick reset option. After logging in, look for Zoho Books among the various Zoho applications. Click on Zoho Books to navigate to your dashboard. This is your main hub for handling all matters related to your business's financial transactions. To find our way to the invoices, focus your attention on the left sidebar and locate the section labeled Sales. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Invoices. This will take you to a list of all the invoices you've issued. Now, a small but important point. Sometimes you may mistakenly navigate to Vendor Credits, so just double-check you're in the Invoices section. Once there, scan through the list until you locate the specific invoice you need to cancel. Click on this invoice to bring up its detailed view. With the invoice details in front of you, look to the top of the page. There, you'll notice a small icon represented by 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, choose Void. A pop-up window will appear at this point, prompting you for a reason for voiding the invoice. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended you provide some context for future reference, especially if you're working within a team where multiple users might need this information later. Finally, to complete the process, click Void It to confirm your action. Your invoice is now officially canceled in Zoho Books. With these simple steps, you can ensure accurate financial records and maintain a smooth workflow in your bookkeeping practices. And there you have it. You've successfully voided an invoice in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your business tasks efficiently.